Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove pre-installed applications on Sony TV. One important notice: not all applications can be directly removed from your TV, as there are some applications like notifications app or TV app that are not that you can TV app, which is basically the TV source on your TV, which cannot be removed from your TV. However, you can also clear data for all of these applications in the settings, and therefore free up storage on your TV. First of all, open settings on your TV by pressing settings button and go into all settings menu. After that, you're gonna have to navigate to the apps menu right here. And now, for example, we have the TV application here. Of course, we cannot remove it from our PC. We can still clear the data of it by selecting the respective option, or we can also clear the cache for it with the second one. Now, for some applications such as Apple TV, we also cannot remove them, but if you disable this application, it will stop using your device's storage space, and you can also clear the data for it and clear its cache afterwards, and it will disappear from your apps list. Yeah, it's basically like uninstall, but not completely. And in the end, you clear the space of on your device. And some applications, some pre-installed applications like Prime Video, can be directly uninstalled right here by selecting. Oh no, it actually cannot. I just chose a bad example. It can also be disabled though, and you can also clear the cache for it. But some other pre-installed streaming services, you can actually delete them from your TV, like this HBO Max, which occupies 117 megabytes on the TV. You can select uninstall and remove it from your TV completely. So the applications that you disabled are actually located on the same list, on all apps lists, in the disabled apps list, and they, as you can see, they do not occupy much storage anymore. So that's practically like deleting them from your TV. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.